Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're checking out the brand new Publix weekly savings ad, valid from July 29th through August 4th, 2026. If you enjoy saving money on groceries, fresh meat, bakery items, and everyday essentials, you're in the right place. Let's go page by page to discover the best offers so you can plan your shopping and get the most value before these deals expire. Right on the front page, Publix features USDA chose New York strip steak starting at $15.99 per pound, with a buy one, get one free promotion on selected packages. You'll also find sirloin tri-dip roast, baby Bella mushrooms for $4, fresh bakery cookies, chicken nuggets with a BOGO offer, prepared salmon meals, and other ready-to-eat options. This is a great week to stock up on premium proteins while taking advantage of Publix's biggest weekly specials. On this page, Publix brings even more value with a great selection of fresh meats and family favorites. You'll find Greenwise Angus top sirloin steak, organic chicken breast fillets, fresh ground sirloin, and lean ground beef at special prices. There are also buy one, get one free deals on Hebra National Beef Franks and selected smoked sausages. If you're planning meals for the week, these offers are a smart way to enjoy quality ingredients while keeping your grocery budget under control. Saving money isn't only about finding the lowest price. It's also about planning your shopping before you head to the store. Taking a few minutes to review the weekly ad can help you compare offers, avoid unnecessary purchases, and build a smarter grocery list. Small savings every week can make a big difference over time. This page is perfect for shoppers looking for healthier and organic choices. Publix features Greenwise pork loin chops, uncured bacon, wild flounder fillets, organic frozen vegetables, almond butter, and several pantry essentials at discounted prices. You'll also find buy one, get one free organic grain bars, plus refreshing organic tea and kombucha deals. If you enjoy eating fresh while staying within your budget, these Greenwise offers are definitely worth adding to your shopping list. Weekly grocery ads are a great way to discover seasonal products, limited time promotions, and buy one, get one free offers before they sell out. Checking these deals in advance makes shopping easier, helps you stay within your budget, and allows you to choose the best value for your family every week. This page is packed with household essentials to help you save on everyday cleaning and paper products. You'll find buy one, get one free deals on Arm & Hammer laundry detergent and OxiClean, plus great prices on paper towels, bathroom tissue, facial tissues, dishware, and cleaning supplies. If you're restocking your home this week, these Publix specials can help you save money on the products every family uses the most. That wraps up this week's Publix Weekly Savings ad. I hope these highlights help you find the best deals and save more on your next grocery trip. Let me know in the comments which offer was your favorite or what you'll be buying this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest weekly ads and shopping deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next